Hello YouTube, this is Paint.net Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you a basic tutorial on how to make your own custom YouTube background. It's very simple to do. All it requires you to do is to know how to use colors and make a good design. So pretty much go to your YouTube channel. As you can see, I've already made a background for mine. I don't have videos yet, so this will be the first. So what you want to do here is press print screen, go back to paint.net and paste that. Expand the canvas. Here you should have a picture of your YouTube channel. Now if you haven't already made your own background, you should know where it'll be a lot easier to see where your line should be for this rectangles on the side. So what you want to go to is the square making tool or rectangle. I'm just going to do black on the side. You can change just do your brush width to about 175. I'll pull this down, and I already have a line here. If you can see that with the spiral things around it, it's perfect. So for some reasons it didn't work good down there. Alright, do that on both sides. And like I said, if you haven't made your own background, you should be able to go ahead and see yours. I mean, it's very easy to see. You just gotta line it up with the sides of the of your models. It's okay if it's a little bit big. Now you want to go ahead and do the middle. I'm just gonna do a simple color of gray. Let's make our brush a little bit bigger. Make sure we line it up right. Alright, there. Now we have our basic colors, black and gray. And we have a giant square and two rectangles. So what you can do from this is you can have your own banner up here or anything on the side. So I'm going to go to my desktop. Here I have a backgrounds folder. I have a bunch of backgrounds I've made. So here's a good example of a background. You can use this just doing distortions, and I'll show you one of those. This is the starter one I've always used. So I'm going to go back to paint.net, and here you can go to effects, you can go to distort and you can do dents. This is the main one that I would use if this will be your first background. As you can see, it makes a different one every time. You can move this over a little bit. This makes those difference. This makes it smaller, and this will make it bigger. And the tension, you can see what that does. It mashes them all together, and the quality's fine. Press OK. And there's a basic design right there. Now usually it will let you change the color, but sometimes it won't. So let's see. Right now it's not going to, because of all these. It just won't work. But also you can do other designs. I mean, you can go to blurs, to even a bulge somewhere, and you can put one. You know, you can push the sides together, you can do anything you want to. Just be creative. All that is clouds, which we don't want to do that. I can actually show you how to make one more background that deals with clouds. So go to your rectangular select, just do copy it, then file new, and this is the width and height you should have if you want to make a custom background. Press OK. Now don't paste that, you just have an open box. Well, you can go ahead and paste if you want to, so we don't have to make another one. So this is the right one. So if you want, I'll go to the rectangular select, and I'm going to choose this whole side, and I'm going to choose gray. Now you can do this way. This is the easiest way to do it. Go to gradient. Now do effects. Go to render and do clouds. And you'll have clouds. You can make them bigger or smaller. I'm gonna do this on both sides. Sorry about that. And hold on, undo that. Make sure you click your rectangular select. Now choose this side. Do the same thing. I'll do effects, render, and clouds. And it should be almost the same to that, but they're always different. You can't get them perfect. And if you want to do something crazy in the middle, you can go back to render. I'll show you that. Instead of making this one gray, well, it's already gray, so let's do red. I'll go to effects, render. This time do Julia fractal and fractal. And you can zoom it in like that. You can do anything you want to. You can make it have a background. Just turn the factor up. And there's that. And that's how you can make cool designs in your background. So if you haven't already, make sure you click subscribe and also add me as a friend, because there will be more Paint.net tutorials to come. So please thumbs up this video, favorite even if you want to, subscribe, and add. Thank you for watching this video, and come back for more videos.